Hello dear hungry folks, hot dogs are usually quite delicious on their own but topped as a casserole. With extra cheese, it becomes an absolute delicacy. And that's exactly what we're preparing for you. It's also fantastic for parties, so we'll need hot dog buns, fresh vegetables, and sweet corn. A little can is enough for the recipe, sausages, preferably grilled ones, shredded cheese, and also cheese slices or a block of cheddar cheese. And we need bacon slices, but Black Forest ham works just as well. We'll also need tomato ketchup and sun-dried tomatoes in olive oil. Bell peppers, or, if you like it spicier, jalapenos will do too, some pickles, and a touch of fresh herbs. I find a combination of chives and parsley to be the best. First, we take the cheese slices and then cut them into very narrow strips. We carefully cut the sun-dried tomatoes and pickles into small pieces, or slices, and we gently put the corn in a sieve over a large bowl. It needs to drain. Now we carefully make a deep cut lengthwise into the sausages. But be careful not to cut through. Of course, use a sharp knife, and then we carefully and gently insert 2 cheese strips into the cut, and if a third one fits snugly, that's really great too. We do this with all the sausages, and then we take First, take a slice of ham and wrap it gently around the sausage, starting from one end. One slice might even cover half, so then add a second one to complete it. Until the sausage is almost entirely wrapped around. Continue until all are prepared. Now we carefully heat some oil in a large pan, which should be spacious enough to fit all the sausages. We carefully place them in the pan and fry them for about 3 minutes, turning at least once or twice, and then we take them off the heat. We need a baking dish of suitable size, which doesn't need to be greased. And into it, we place the hot dog buns. They usually come with a slit. If not, you'll have to cut it yourself. Once they're placed, we put one of the sausages into each slit. Once each has found a perfect cozy place to settle down in, we spread the chopped sun-dried tomatoes over them, and then we do the same with the crunchy pickle slices. The corn has drained by now, and we sprinkle plenty of it over the top. And then we add ketchup. I'm going to do this at lightning speed. We're missing our topping in the form of grated cheese. Don't be stingy with it. And with that, everything is ready, and we're putting it in the oven now. It'll bake at 200 degrees Celsius fan setting for 15 minutes, maybe 1 or 2 more. It should look absolutely delicious like this, and after carefully chopping the fresh, aromatic herbs, we add some of these on top right. And it's not just a splash of color, it also tastes great. Then enjoy the hot dog casserole as a nice dinner, but as I said, it's also great for brunch or a party. I hope you have fun preparing it and enjoy your meal. All that's left to say is see you next time. Goodbye.